We're delighted to present this beautiful Audi Q3 extra special car, finished in metallic black. It's got black finishing on the roof rails and around the window trims, upgraded alloy wheels in immaculate condition, almost brand new Pirelli P0 tyres on all four corners. One absolutely stunning car. It's got comfort and sound pack, it's got technology pack, and it's not only S Tronic but it's a quattro, so it's a four-wheel drive automatic SUV with fantastic specification in a beautiful colour. In really well looked after condition. Fantastic tread on the tyres. Stunning car. Comfort and sound pack gives it Audi's multimedia interface, climate control, the S Tronic gearbox,